Okay, so we'll talk about dialer campaigns in StarTrinity Softswitch. So you want to dial a list of numbers from CSV, but not just dial. You want to dial some DTMF, right?
True. Actually,
So
it's the dialed number will be composed of uh, three parts. One of the three parts, the first part is fixed. Let's say it's 111.
okay, so first dial 111.
True. Then wait
At some
like
IP, at some part terminator.
exactly.
IP address, SIP port, dial 111. Then okay.
Then wait like let's say 5 or 2 seconds.
When it is connected, you mean?
Yes.
Wait for connection. Yes.
Then dial a number from a list.
Okay, so
This number, we have to treat it like the pop-ups, recharge pop-ups,
where
like when you have a recharge card and you scratch it,
yes.
scratch card, and you put the number.
Yes.
So here we will prepare like list of numbers.
Yes, read. First, we need to read. Let's call it number one from CSV.
Exactly
From C.
from CSV file.
And do you need to read CSV file again? When
Another file.
I mean, when this file, for example, has 1,000 items.
Yes.
When you did 1,000 calls and it is over, what do you need to do after?
Each number will be used once.
Only, and no, it should not go back to first number.
Exactly.
Okay, so read CSV one time only.
True.
Only one time. Okay.
True.
Then this is number one.
Yeah.
Four.
Wait for like 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Then dial a number from a list.
Play DTMF.
Yeah, or dial a number.
Number one. This number one. Send DTMF. Like press digits.
True.
Okay. Then press digits. It takes about. It will make automatic. Delays between digits.
Delay between digits.
Yeah. So there's a global setting. I'll show you this global settings, configuration system settings. Search by DTMF. Sending interval. You see this one. Interval between, and it is 200.
200 milliseconds.
Yeah, you can set 300 as you want here in settings. Then global setting. Okay, then you need to wait until number dialing is complete. I think 3 seconds enough for dialing. While dialing Then what?
Actually, we can replace without using DTMF. If we can read from a file, then yani step number 5, we can be like step number 3, but the CSV file will contain the dialed number that I want to dial.
Well, this we can read two fields from one file. So you can.
Okay, great.
So whatever is better, you can have one file on it.
2 fields, right?
Or we can read number 1 and number 2 from CSV. And there be a file like this 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's like number 1 and another, and after that well, some other numbers in CSV file and like that. Okay. There'll be CSV like number 1, number 2. Okay, and
2 columns, right?
And we have both these numbers. Okay, then what? Dial number 2. You mean here? Number 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Then.
Okay, that's it. Right.
And wait for.
But you have to wait between them. Right. That's it.
Yes. Wait 3 maybe not 3 seconds, but let be 5 seconds. For these digits. Well, it is default 200 milliseconds.
Between digits.
Between digits. So
yes,
it is
yes.
5 digits per second. Well, 5 seconds is enough for 50 digits. That's good. Okay. Dial number, and there is some delay on destination. So you enter these digits. Well, do you need to enter hash
at the end? Yeah, I think we can use it. Yes, we can use it.
Well, I think if you need it, you can put it in CSV.
Inside, yeah, true.
If needed. Okay. Let me wait 3 seconds, and then what?
That's it.
Just play music.
Yeah.
Play some music. IVR.
When call connected. Yeah.
WAV file. And what is maximum time of this?
Max time, let it be like 5 minutes.
5 and 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. That's clear. And I will let's first do this CSV file. Put some. I copy, and I go to server. You have server. This is remote desktop. To server, and I go to some folder on C drive. New folder. Let be CSV. I create new text. Will be numbers dot CSV, and I put these numbers. Let's put some more numbers.
More options, right?
Okay, and I save it, and we have csv numbers dot csv. Okay, we have this file. Put it through remote desktop. Then we go to this dialer campaign configuration, dialer campaign, and we create a new dialer campaign, custom script ID. Let it be DC1, whatever. And you set maximum channels here, maximum number of concurrent calls. What?
Yeah.
One?
Let it be one.
One. So when it reaches one, it doesn't make new call. And
True.
it tries to make new calls with this setting. So here it means every 2 seconds, half call per second. So every 2 seconds, it's maximum call number of calls per second.
So every 2 seconds, it will check.
It will check.
A drop.
Every 2 seconds, it will try to generate a new call, and it will check what is number of current calls. It's one. If already one call is in progress, it will not do a new call. Okay, adds. Oh, terminator. Well,
yeah.
Need to enter some. Well, there are some example terminators, and but in our CallXML, I want to enter terminator IP address directly in CallXML. So we can create just fake terminator here. Okay, so this is new dialer campaign here. It is not active. There is a setting of deviation for channels, random.
Yeah, which is the reverse of ASR.
No, it's not ASR. It is deviation. It means when you set 10 maximum channels and you want to simulate not constant 10 channels. You want to make it random number of concurrent calls from 5 to 10, but you don't need it here. You don't need random deviation.
True.
You just need only one channel, always one channel. Maximum calls per second, that's good. And maximum calls to create, you can enter.
To put a limit or take it unlimited with nothing.
And here we enter this CallXML. And this is defaults. And what we need to go to help CallXML documentation. Well, to read
the syntax we need.
Yes, dial 111. It is element call, and it's already here. Call. Well, here's the call, and it is already there. So we call, and there are default parameters. Caller ID. What we need to put as caller ID, like sample caller ID.
Yes.
And value is it is SIP URI SIP at 123 at some
IP.
Some IP. I have StarTrinity.com 60. I have echo. I have already set up the soft switch which receives traffic. It's not actual terminator, just test
For
receiver
testing, yeah.
for testing, and it is in originator here. On another switch, I configure it just to receive traffic for test. Okay, this is creating call. Well, I don't need it here. Terminator ID, I don't need. Maximum ring time to wait for answer, 30 seconds. That's good.
Yes.
Okay, save. And when it is answered, it plays plays audio, and we need to play audio from audio files.
Defined audio files, yes.
Audio files. There is music WAV. It is default from installation. From installation, it is value music WAV. Max time you told me 5 minutes.
Minutes.
And repeat infinite. It repeats itself. This I don't need. Play audio. And okay, I want to test it immediately. Make one call, and I see in CDR outgoing echo to echo. It failed, but it means that I sent call to echo, but it failed.
Yeah, service unavailable.
So I need to go to my another source switch and check why it failed. Go to provider. I mean here. So okay, I'll check now. Okay, on main switch I modify CallXML script, and I analyze if called ID is echo 123. I accept and play back same audio. Okay, and try call again from refresh. Make one call. See there. No, current calls. Go to current calls. Yeah, connected. Now good. CLI, CLD. That's good. Okay. Now it creates call. And next, what do we need? We need to read numbers. These numbers.
Yes.
And this is read CSV elements. Read CSV, and it is in CallXML documentation. Reads CSV. Reads, and we just copy example. It reads a line and saves to variables. Field 0, field 1. And here's example. Repeat 3 times. So I copy this. Copy and paste into our script. What? In dollar campaigns, when we can, well, here's a question: where to put this reading? Because when it is over, we don't need to make a call when it is over, when there are no more lines. So it is better to put it before making a call, because otherwise you will make new calls.
And when call drops, it will go and read from the file, where this will not apply to our rule. We have to read them before,
Yeah, read
prepare them,
before.
and use them inside the call.
Yes, yes. And if there are no items, it will not go to call.
Yes.
So let's call it where it starts from 0 with fields. Where 0 is number 1, where 1 is number 2, and repeat is 1. It's possible to randomize script, and we put CSV numbers dot CSV, and I want to check to see in log, just to see what happens. Log value equals read from CSV, just to understand what happens.
Yes.
Number один, number one, number one, number one, number one is number one, number two is here's a dollar. It is using of the variable
Yeah.
number 2, read from CSV. Then when it is answered, we play. No, first we wait. Some time, 2 seconds.
Yeah. 2 seconds.
Value is 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds. Save. Also, you need to record calls. When you have some problems, you may want to record. It is in configuration. There's a global setting to record, or you can record in call debug media, or I forgot, in call records debug media rx enables recording, and we set it to true. Debug media rx the call element debug media rx equals true. Set it to true. This test ID, it is dialer campaign ID, will go to CDR. When you have multiple dialer campaigns, it's useful to filter in CDR to see results. Okay, record, wait 2 seconds, and play DTMF. Play DTMF is here. Play DTMF. Value. See, an example. Play 1, make break. Play 2. So I copy, and paste where here. Play DTMF value, and here we use this number 1. This is number 1. It is played here. And in the recording, you will not hear this sound because it is not converted to beep sound. It is just these are RTP packets with different flag. It is not beep sound. It is converted to sound on termination side, not here. It will not be in the recording. Okay, play 2 seconds and then play wait 5. We decide wait 5 and play number 2 and
Shoot.
play music 5 minutes. So that's it. It's ready. Ah, what? Could not save. Play DTMF doesn't match. Ah, I forgot this. Closing. It's a syntax. XML syntax. I save again. Okay, ready. And I make one call. I see in status, for example, what in configuration. In current calls, do I see current call? Configuration. No, no current call. But what do I see in CallXML log? No, nothing is read. Is read. So CallXML didn't work. I don't know why. I'm trying to understand.
Check
Read.
CDR if it's.
Oh, do you see? New
Ah.
numbers. And I should see it in error log. Error log. Do you see? In system errors log. Exception. Could not find file. That's a mistake. That's why need to test everything. Dialer campaign details. Numbers. Save. Create. What do we see in status? No current call. No current call. What do I see in log? Oh, no. I don't know. Status. No, error log. Oh, CSV numbers. Could not find file. Oh,
Maybe different location.
it may be different location on the server. CSV numbers. Oh, I see. That's
Different server.
it's actually it hides the extensions and it is numbers.txt. Do you see?
Yeah, because it's
TXT.
TXT
It's
document. Yeah.
TXT file. So we go to script again, txt, save, make one call, go to current calls. No, again.
I think we have to modify the file itself. Save as CSV. Open the.
But it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
In
Okay.
script, call it in dollar campaign. Oh, what? To U numbers. There was W.
Not saved.
Numbers txt. I create one call, and I see refresh. What? Oh, I see. I see this current call. I see CallXML log. Read from CSV number 1, number 2. I create one more call in $campaign. $campaign. Or I just start with $campaign. It is started. And it will not make new call until
Yes, because the limit is 1.
only one call. I can abort this call manually here. Abort call. It's already aborted. Status. I can abort it from current calls. Abort all calls. Let's see. Abort it. And is it a new number? Well, CallXML. I see. Read from CSV. Okay, 2 more calls created. 2 more calls. This is latest. So it must work. That's
Yeah.
it. And what do you need if you modify a file? If you modify, you have to reset cache. There is so-called cache reset. Well, easier to restart software when you create. I don't remember because it reads the file into cache, into memory, and it will not read new changes from disk. It doesn't read from disk every time. It is slow operation to read from file.
Okay, when I have to recache?
When you make changes in CSV, in TXT file, when you make changes.
Okay.
And settings.
But what if every time I use another file name? I
Then
change the name of the file and
I think you have 2 ways. First is you can change it to here, just change numbers 2, number 3, or you can create one more dialer campaign.
Okay.
And in CDR you see this test. You should see dialer campaign ID is DC1. This is dialer campaign. And also, if you want, you can write this number 1 and number 2 into CDR to using write. But do you need it for report? Do you need?
No.
Yeah, it's possible, but more complex. And here is DCRX. It is recording. You can record. You can open this file, and here is music. It is echo back from destination. So some seconds, 8 seconds before music. So this is DTMF time, and this is music time. And you can check it.
Yeah.
Here, music. Okay.
Okay. My last related question. May I use the Terminator ID, not the Terminator IP?
So in Terminator, in CallXML, in call, there is call is documentation for call, and there is Terminator ID. Terminator ID of Terminator. And if terminator ID is set, attribute value means called number. So let's right now try it. So in dialer campaigns, modify okay, I'll put repeat 10 because I want to make a new test. Now I set terminator ID equals, that'll be S3 main, terminator ID and value.
Which must be already configured in terminators.
Yes, in terminator. I copy and the value is just one echo 1 2 3 echo 1 2 3 and
True.
configuration terminators. We add a new terminator S3 main add, and here we set IP address.
The IP address and the port.
It is not IP, it is domain named here. StarTrinity.com 6060. There could be multiple
local IPs. Yeah.
Local IPs. Okay. Configuration. We go to dollar campaign. It's ready. This is one term. Create and what in status we see it.
Yeah.
And it shows terminator here.
Yeah.
S3 main. Okay, so that's for dialing. Any kind of DTMF, you can put schedule. You can also analyze voice coming from destination. What our customers use in CallXML, there is wait for signal. So you can wait for some sound before sending DTMF or it is open script and it can be complex. And you can save some results to CDR also as a field, like duration after DTMF could be saved to CDR. Okay, okay. Let's. I finished recording.
Okay, great. Okay.